Hi guys, it's Mary Grace. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am gonna do something different. I am going to unbox this special edition Dyson Airwrap. I believe the color is kind of like a copper and navy blue. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but I got this last week and I didn't really want to open it until I film it because I don't think I've ever done an unboxing on my YouTube video. Or my YouTube, I don't even know how to, whatever, let's just get into it. So I made sure I have the X-Acto knife. Don't be scared. Lee, you can see me. I'm gonna back up a little bit. Come on. Okay, your ass in here. It's hot. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. I'm sweating because of how beautiful this thing is. So I think it's like worth $159. Like Canadian though, I'm not talking about like, you know, US dollars. So, oh my gosh, I didn't even see the front. Goodness gracious. Okay. Ow. Oh my gosh. I can't. Okay. Take. I don't even know how many takes. I'm so excited. Oh, don't ruin it, man. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Are you ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sweating. This is what it's for. Oh my gosh. This is literally what it's for. Oh, I just ruined that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot breathe. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't know why, but like every time I see this, they look like nipples. Just saying. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's another fan, I think. Okay, this is the free stuff. So I don't even know how much this is. This is probably like $100. And this is the other one, which is the brush and the brush, or the brush and the comb. Oh no, why do I? Oh, this one. Guys, I want you to show the free stuff that you get first, and then I'll show you the real deal because why not, right? Oh my god, this feels so heavy. For a brush. You can only brush your hair for like a minute because your hands would get like tired. This one on the other hand feels like $2 one. Very light. Oh my gosh. Do you see how happy I am? Woo! Okay, so it comes with everything in this box, or whatever you call it, a container, whatever is the English term for it. I'm sorry. It comes with this, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 attachments. I thought there were 12 attachments, or am I just blind? What is this? It's like in a box. Like, will you marry me? Just say, oh, it's a ring too! Yo, I'm so smart. I think this is the stuff for like the cleaning, like a filter. I'm pretty sure it'll explain later. Where is the manual? Bonjour. It's like a ticket to hair heaven or something. What do you call this? I'm gonna be your teacher today. What do you call this? I don't even know what this is called. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my god, I already... Yeah, okay. I don't wanna like ruin it though. I said I don't wanna ruin it, and then look what I did. Okay, fine. I guess we'll do it this way then. So it has a lock and unlock thing because I believe that whenever you put the attachment, it would just lock immediately. And then if you want to take the attachment off, you just have to pull this downward and then you can release the attachment. It didn't click. I thought it would immediately click so that you could hear that it's locked in place. But this right here, you can see the lock and unlock thing, right? So the release and the whatever. So you release that thing, you pull it downward, and then you take off the attachment. And that's how it works. Let me see this. It's for straightening and to control the frizziness of your hair. So these are the two different ones because this is the color that comes with it, right? And this is all black. I don't know why it's all black, and this is not all black. This is so trippy because I think the only difference that they have between this one and this one is the whatever you call that at the end. I suck at this reviewing or unboxing thing because I don't know what I'm talking about. Like that thing, the orange thing. I don't know what that is. It comes with, where is this menu? I will show you. Pre-styling dryer, but it's actually a pre-styling dryer for this one, right? So when you get out of the shower, you have the towel in your hair and whatever, and you're ready to blow dry your hair. This is enough to actually dry it enough for you to start using the other attachments that you would like to use. And okay, what is this one? I want to know what this is called. So I was trying to see what this is called. This thing is called the Dyson Airwrap Styler Main Body. So it is the main body and the rest of it is called attachments, obviously. And there is a non-slip mat, which right here, I believe this would be it. It's a non-slip mat. So I knew it was the air filter brush. This is like the thingy. I don't know where you put it. I'm not too sure. I think you do it this way. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Anyways, I'm trying to figure it out without showing you guys because I'm gonna look like, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Anyways, this is you're supposed to clean this thing because it sucks out all the dirt and whatever. If you're using it every day, it has, let me move my ass. Okay, so this is supposed to be the power button. You can't push it all the way. So but when you turn it off, you can push it down. So this is I believe of how strong you want the air to suck out your hair. And this other one is the temperature. It's the cold, the not cold, and the hottest. That's what it is. So anyways, I am still sweating. So we got 4 nipples here. 4 nipples. Go stare at the 4 nipples. They're called copper nipples for me because they literally look like nipples. Don't argue with me. They do look like. So I'm questioning why there's 2 of each. Why? So I've used my friend's Airwrap once and she has the pink and the gray one. But obviously we know that this color is a special edition for this Christmas. I don't know, I think this is a Christmas thingy that they made. And if you go on the website, on the Canadian site, it's all sold out. And I'm kind of lucky that I got this. I believe I got this the end of October. So it got here pretty quickly. Like it was like an Amazon delivery, like 1 point. Anyways, so I have 2 small ones and 2 big ones. Ask me why, I don't know. But the purpose of this is that you're supposed to touch this part because this one gets too hot. So you have to hold it from here when you take it off the main body. Let's move on to the next attachment. They are called Airwrap barrels. So it's supposed to curl your hair. So the arrow is the arrows. God damn it, focus. So it's basically telling you that your hair is going this way, right? So, I think why there's 2 now. Oh, I know. Sorry, I'm a noob. I know why there's 2 because look at this. They're going in opposite directions. And if you do your hair, you obviously not want to do everything the same direction, right? That is the reason why. Oh my gosh. I'm learning as I'm doing this review. Congratulations, self. The other one is the smoothing firm brush. How the hell would I know which is the Okay, so I will show you. It's literally the same color. So how am I supposed to know which one's which? Firm smoothing brush. Did I say brush? Firm smoothing brush. I think, I'm just gonna guess it. I feel like they should have something right here. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It has a QR code. It literally has a QR code right here, right there. But I know what you're talking about. Anyways, it's a firm smoothing brush. I think it's this one. When I used my friend's Airwrap, it was kind of hard to do this one. You can't do like a big chunk of hair so that it actually sucks the hair. Reviewing is hard, guys. It's like studying, but like filming while studying. Anyways, soft smoothing brush. So the difference is the first word. So the first one is a firm smoothing brush and the second one is a soft smoothing brush. And this is for people that has bangs like me, and I'm gonna use this. Everything is so clean when it's so new. It's so cute. Okay, I don't know why I'm reviewing, but you can't even see the product. Anyways, right here, I'm showing you, and I'm making a mess already. So this is the round volumizing brush. I don't like how it doesn't click. So you have to like, so every time I pull this, I like, look, this one comes off. Why? Why you like this? Anyways, so this is supposed to be the brush for like, you know, volumizing. I don't know what I'm doing, but so this is the whole pack. What is it called? It's literally, there's something called a Dyson full package. No, it's not. Something, it's a whole package for the Airwrap. Personally, I didn't get the blow dryer because it's literally just a blow dryer, and this has already a blow dryer in it. But they said that it's not, this one is not as powerful as the blow dryer, and I totally understand why you would just want to get the blow dryer because it's more powerful than this. But this has a lot of styling. It's kind of like a straightener, curler, and blow dryer at the same time. This is the reason why I got it. I didn't want to get the pink one. I wanted it for so long, but I was like, okay, it's a pink one. They only had one style, not one style, like one color. So I was like, that's probably why that set me back on buying it. And then I saw this one when they released it. I don't even know when, but when I went on the site, I checked this out in about 5 minutes, and I was like, I hate when I'm this spontaneous. So, I really can't tell you, but this one though, it's like heavy. Like the handle is like metal. I don't even know, but like, anyways, I like this one for, I thought this was like metal, but it's not, it's just plastic. Anyways, it's free, and I should not complain about free stuff, right? Why would you complain about free stuff? Like, it's different color too, and it's you have to get free stuff, so why not? So I might make a video regarding when I do it, when I do my hair. It's very hard though, because I think I'm like super excited for like the rest of this to try, but it's gonna take me a while. Let me know your thoughts if I should have gotten the blow dryer, or this is a perfect choice for me for getting this one with a lot of attachments, because I think the blow dryer has half the attachments, and the only thing that sucks is that you can't, or the blow dryer, even though it's more powerful, you cannot attach these ones to the blow dryer main body, because obviously it's business. Hopefully they would make something that is as powerful as the blow dryer with as much attachments as the Airwrap. So there you go, guys. This is my unboxing for the Airwrap copper and navy blue Airwrap. Hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye. Oh wait, you gotta click and subscribe. Click and subscribe. You subscribe and like my video. Yeah, that's it. So I could make more videos, because the last video that I had was like a year ago. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Click and subscribe. Bye.